24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman publishers. As we know, there are 4 basic skills for learning any language. These are listening, speaking, reading, and writing. This informative video focuses on these skills so that children get maximum exposure, which will help them to become proficient learners in future. Listening and speaking activities. Say Assalamu alaikum and good morning to the children. Encourage them to greet you back. Talk about different home appliances and their use. Encourage the children to talk about the safety measures. Show them a switchboard and tell them not to touch it barefooted or with wet hands. Ask them to not put their fingers in the sockets. Then ask one child at a time to switch off the light and then switch it on carefully. Now show the picture of an umbrella and ask the children if they know what it is. What is its color? Do they know its name? Some of them may answer correctly. Encourage them. Then tell the whole class that it is the picture of an umbrella. It is blue or any color, and its name is umbrella. Ask the children if they can tell about the use of an umbrella. You may get mixed responses. Tell them that we can use an umbrella to protect ourselves from rain and sunlight. Now, show to the class a picture of an urn and frame the questions like you have asked about the umbrella. During this, if the children give you a wrong answer, just correct them and treat them kindly. Recognition of the letter U and related vocabulary activity. Tell the children that today they will recognize the letter U, learn its related vocabulary, and trace the capital letter U with correct formation. Start the lesson by singing the following song with the children.
Please open your umbrella. Please open your umbrella. Please open your umbrella and shield me from the rain. The shower is nearly over. The shower is nearly over. The shower is nearly over, so shut it up again.
Write the letter U on the writing board. Tell the children that this is capital letter U, and it says A. Say the sound of the letter U. Introduce the vocabulary with the help of the book. Show pictures and say words with their initial sound. U. A. Umbrella. U. A. Umbrella. U. A. Umbrella. U. A. Umbrella. Repeat at least 3 times. Ask the children to repeat after you. Involve the class in this process. Formation of the letter U activity. First of all, get attention of the children. Encourage them to sit up straight and not bend their backs. Draw 4 lines on the writing board. Write the letter U on the first 3 lines and give instructions. Start from the red point. Go down. Take a turn and go up again. Ask them to open their textbook and trace the letter U with the help of dots and arrows. Encourage them to trace the letter U in the air, or on their desks, or on their hands with the help of index finger. Write some jumbled letters on the writing board and ask the children to recognize U. Reinforcement worksheet of the letter U can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.